5.8 purchase.
5.8. Okay. And this is remind me the age of this asset?
1990.
90s.
It's built
90s.
90, renovated in 23.
Okay. Is it the remodel that pushes that cap rate down, or is that just the location in the St. Louis market that those cap rates aren't like a 6 or 6.5? I'm comparing this to like the Houston's and Miami's.
Miami is probably you're probably looking you'd never get a 5.8 in
Yeah,
Miami.
probably
You're probably
fours
a
down there,
four.
but
Yeah, you're
yeah,
not touching. I think Houston runs around the same. 5.5, 5.5.
right.
Again, cap rate is based on the area. It's based on um, what the property looks for, what the NOI drives. That's where a lot of the cap rate comes from. This is the perfect cap rate for St. Louis and specifically for the area in St. Louis because again, we're going top of the area in St. Louis. So the place that if you're going to St. Louis and want to stay, this is where you stay.
So is this one driven a bit more by location? Because it's an older asset, but
But it's also
just
renovated in 23. Yep.
okay.
It's based on location, it's based on the renovations, it's based on the NOI that's the property is currently generating. Again, it's also I mean, the occupancy is crazy. Like they run between 94 and 97. Last rent roll told us 97. You know, we'll have to prove that wrong and due diligence next week, but that's what the rent rolls is stating.